I'm going to share some real-time development with the DEXI ROS project. And this PR just came through from Maarten. He's one of the early users of DEXI. They're doing some really cool stuff, and it's a pretty straightforward change, and I'm going to demonstrate it live. So what Maarten has done is enabled second camera support with ROS launch file, our camera.launch file, and you'll see here on my bench, ignore all the wires and stuff coming out right now. I just want to demonstrate I've connected a second PyCam to cam 1 that's underneath this board. So cam 0 is this one in between the CM4 and our ARC board, and then the one beneath is cam 1. You can see here the PR. Maarten has specified a cam 0 topic, a cam 1 topic, and then spun up another node. So I'm going to show you on DEXI. I'm going to SSH in, and I'll go into the DEXI workspace. Let me just show that I've cloned this into my workspace, this PR from Maarten. You see here the cam 0 and cam 1, the additional nodes, and then let me go ahead and build. I'm just going to build this specific package. So I'll specify this command line argument, and we'll just build DEXI. Need to make sure to source my workspace. And then let's run the DEXI launch file, take a look at it. We have some configurable nodes that we can turn on and off, and the camera node is currently set to true. That's what we care about for this demonstration. So I'll do a ROS2 launch, DEXI, and then the launch file. We should see the camera nodes come up. So we have camera node 2 and 3 here. So they're both running. I'll go over to Chrome. Let me just look at our topic browser or our image browser. That'll be running on 8080. You'll see here cam 0 and cam 1. So cam 0 is currently facing down here on my bench. See cam 0 pointed at my computer. Now let's look at cam 1. So we have a nice stream to the browser from both cameras. So I wanted to share that. Thank you, Maarten, for the pull request. We'll go ahead and approve the PR, and this will be available in the next version of the DEXI OS release. So that's it for now. Please feel free to leave any questions or comments below. And until next time, thanks for watching.